welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss about the linear algebra, which is asked in GATE 1994 to 2000. Okay, and I will solve the GATE question as well as I will discuss about the concept of the linear algebra also. Okay, let's start the first question. The first question is the rank of M cross N matrix where M is less than N cannot be more than. We have to tell about the rank. What will be the rank? So let us consider a M cross N matrix is given. Okay, where M is less than N is given. So rank rank will be rank will be minimum of M N, means whatever your column or whatever your row, which one is the minimum, that will be the rank of the matrix. So here is the N is the uh, M is less than, okay, because N is greater than M, so M is less than, so rank will be M. So option A will be answer. For example, A 3 cross 2 matrix is, so minimum cannot be more than rank will be 2. 2 will be maximum possibility, means maximum. More than 2, it is not possible to rank here. Maybe less than 2. 2. 1 may be rank of the matrix, but not possible greater than 2. Solve the next question. Solve the following system equation is given x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 3, x1 minus x2 is equal to 0, x1 minus x2 plus x3 is equal to 3 is given. Okay, so no, check it. For this such type of question, we have to first of all rank of A matrix and rank of AB matrix. So for how to make AB and how to make A, first of all check it. So first of all, here is the rank. First check it the rank of A. So A matrix will be 1 1 1 1 minus 1 0 and 1 minus 1 1. Okay, this one is the rank A, and rank A matrix. Sorry, AB matrix will be 1 1 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 0 1, and this part will be include. So 3 3 0 1. Solve it AB, then you will get also solution of A. Okay, so first rearrange R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. What is the, this one is the R1, this one is the R2, this one is the R3. Okay, so now becomes R1 R2 minus R1. So then R2 minus R1, then what will happen? Here 1 1 1 3 and R2 minus R1. Here will be the 0, here minus 2, minus 1 and minus 3, and R3 minus 1. Then here will be the 0, here will be also R3 minus R2, then sorry R3 minus R1. So R3 minus 0 minus 2 and 0 and minus 2. Okay, two element we got the 0. Now do R3 minus R2. R3 minus R2. Then what will happen? 1 1 1 3 and 0 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. When you 0, it becomes the 0 1 and here will be 1. Check it. Now your A is this part. This part is A and total is AB. Okay. So when you take the A, then rank of A will be 3, because minimum determinant of 3 by 3 is not 0. Okay, when you take the a and take it the determinant of this one, then you will get not 0. So rank of a is 3 and rank of ab also becomes 3 because this one is the 3 by 4 matrix and 3 uh, minimum value is 3, so maximum is a b 3. So if your a or equal to rank of a equal to rank of ab, so you will get the unique solution. You will get unique solution. Option unique solution. Option A will be the right answer. Now the eigenvalue of vector or eigenvalue of matrix, unique matrix is given, not 0 1 1 0 are given eigenvalue. So first of all we have to find out the characteristic equation. So characteristic equation is a minus lambda I is equal to 0, and from there you will get 0 1 1 0 and unit matrix lambda 0 0 lambda and 0. Here is the determinant. Okay, then you will take the, then what will happen, minus lambda 1 1 minus lambda, this one matrix, then take the determinant, and when you take the determinant, what will happen, lambda square minus 1 is equal to 0, or lambda is equal to plus minus 1, lambda is equal to plus 1 1. So and the characteristic equation will be plus minus 1. Option D will be answer. The eigenvalue of matrix, or we have to find out the eigenvalue of the matrix. Okay, so matrix is given. So first of all, the eigenvalue, first of all find out the characteristic equation, then characteristic equation will be a minus lambda I. Okay, and take the determinant is equal to 0, then matrix is given 2 0 0 0 minus 1 3 0 0 0 0 minus 2 minus 1 and 0 0 0 4 and minus lambda I, lambda 0 0 0 0 lambda 0 0 0 0 lambda 0 0 0 0 lambda, determinant is equal to 0. After that you will get matrix determinant, like determinant 2 minus lambda minus 1 0 0 and 0 3 minus lambda 0 0 0 0 minus 2 minus lambda 0 0 0 minus 1 4 minus lambda is equal to 0. Check it from here. When you go from this side, so only this one is the valid, and this element is valid out of that 0. So here from there, so you will get this matrix only. So 3 minus lambda 0 0 0 minus 2 minus lambda 0 0 minus 1 4 minus lambda equal to 0 equal to 0. And you can check, take a 2 minus lambda also, multiplication, this one is the 0, so lambda is equal to 2, and when you simplify it, then you will get lambda is equal to 2 3 minus 2 and minus 4. Okay, though it becomes the your eigenvalue. Eigenvalue, simplify it, very easy. Okay, so you will get eigenvalue 2 3 minus 2 and 4. Okay, now fifth number, the given matrix is given, the eigenvector is, we have to find out the eigenvector. First of all we have to find out the eigenvalue, and a corresponding eigenvalue we will find out the eigenvector. So solution, first of all a lambda I determinant is equal to 0, a is equal to minus 4, 4 and minus lambda. Here minus lambda and 2 and here 3 minus lambda is equal to 0. Okay, so after simplification, simplify it, minus 4 minus lambda, 3 minus lambda minus 8 is equal to 0, and after that minus 12 minus 3 lambda plus 4 lambda plus 4 lambda square minus 8 is equal to 0, and you will get lambda plus 5 or lambda minus 4 is equal to 0. Lambda is equal to minus 5 and 4. The eigenvector will be eigenvector you will get, let eigenvector m1 and m2 for putting lambda is equal to minus 5. So 1, 2, 4, 8 and m1 m2 is equal to 0. Then take it 4 common, r2 from r2 and simplify it, then you will get 1, 1, 2, 2 and m1 m2 equal to 0. Then you will get, we can say that after simplification, so m1 plus m2 2m2 equal to 0. M1 there will get 8 2, then m1, sorry, m1 will get 2, the m2 will be minus 1. The eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue lambda 1 equal to minus 5 will be, lambda 1 is equal to minus 5 will be, you will get x1 is equal to 2 by minus 1. Okay, 2 by minus 1. Option is 2 by minus 1. 2 by minus 1, option C will be the right answer. So you can check it here. We have put it lambda is equal to minus 5 from here, then minus 5 and you will get the 1 like this way. Here you will get 8. Similarly you can put it lambda is equal to 4, then what will happen, minus 8 is above and below you will get the minus 1. You will get the almost same question answer. Okay, question number 6. Let A is given and A inverse is given, then A plus B. We have to find out the A plus B. We know that A into A inverse is equal to I matrix. So multiply it. 2, 0, minus 0 0.1, 3. Multiply it, half A, 0, B, 1, 0, 0, 1. And then multiply it, then 1 and here again 2A minus 0. 0 point b and again 0 and here you will get 3b is equal to 1 0 0 1 and compare it. After comparison you will get 2a minus 0.5 0 point b is equal to 0 and 3b is equal to 1. So b is equal to 1 by 3 and put it the value here, then a will be a is equal to 2.5 b upon 2 and then you will get, put the value 20 a by 60, 1 by 60. So 1 by 60 we have to find out a plus b. So a is equal to 1 by 60 plus b is equal to 1 by 3, then common will be 60, and here is the 1 plus 20, 21 upon 60, then 7 by plus 7 by 20 will be the answer. 7 by 20, option A will be the right answer. Comes to next question. Given an orthogonal matrix A is equal to A is equal to something is given 1 1 1 1 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 0 0 0 0 1 minus 1, and 8 or A transpose inverse is. We have to find out the A and A transpose inverse. See, if it is orthogonal matrix, then A transpose of inverse will be unit step matrix. Okay, for orthogonal matrix A or A transpose is it's happen. This one is the theorem. A transpose is equal to 1 I matrix. So inverse of I, always inverse of I is I itself. So right answer will be C. Now comes to next question. This one is asked in GATE 2006 for 1 marks. The rank of matrix. We have to find out the rank of matrix. See, here is the 3 by 3 matrix is given. Means maximum possible is 3. Okay, option is 3 are also given. Then we have to check it. Determinant 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay, and two row is same, means 3 by 3 matrix will determinant will be the 0. Okay, maximum possible 3 by 3 matrix determinant is 0. For check 2 by 2 matrix, so any here R1 and here R3, here R2, R1 is equal to R3, so determinant of this one is the 0, means 3 is not possible rank. Okay, and then we have to check any 2 by 2 matrix from this matrix, is its determinant is 0 or not. If any one not 0, then rank will be 2. So check it, this one, this matrix, they are here from here, so you will get the -1, and here is the -1, and then what will happen, -2, so not 0, so rank will be let us consider this one is the matrix A, so rank of a matrix will be 2. Okay, if any from the 3 by 3 matrix of any 2 by 2 matrix, we can make the many of 2 by 2 matrix from the 3 by 3 matrix. If any matrix is not any matrix of determinant is not 0, 2 by 2, so rank 2. If all the possible 2 by 2 matrix determinant is 0, if all the possible then it will be check for 1. Then if all element any element is 1 by 1, means one element, if one element the rank will be 1, means minimum is the 1, not 0. Okay, next question. The eigenvalue corresponding to eigenvector 2 by 2 matrix are given. Eigenvalue is given and eigenvector is given. The matrix is, we have to check the matrix. So we know that lambda I minus A determinant matrix equal to 0. Okay, so hmm. By property, eigenmatrix sum of diagonal eigenmatrix matrix sum of diagonal elements should be equal to sum of eigenvalue. So show sum of eigenvalue. Check it. Eigenvalue is 8 and 4. So 8 and 4 is 12. Lambda 1 plus lambda 2 is equal to 12, and 12, and matrix diagonal should be sum of matrix diagonal should be equal. So diagonal matrix is this one is this one is the 12. So maximum possible is option A. Another thing is multiplication of eigenvalue. multiplication of my eigenvalue, it should be equal to determinant of matrix, determinant of that matrix. So determinant of this matrix of what will be 36 minus 4, it will be 32. So this one is the right option. You can check I mean both way. What is happen if A is matrix, if A is matrix, then diagonal sum will be sum of all eigenvalues. Okay, sum of all eigenvalues, and determinant of A is equal to multiplication of all eigenvalue, all eigenvalue. It is the property of matrix. Always remember. Now comes to next question. For the matrix, the eigenvalue corresponding to eigenvector. So corresponding to eigenvector, we have to find out the eigenvalues. Okay. So M is given. Let us consider M a matrix. 4, 2, 2, 4 is matrix is given, and M, sorry, lambda I is equal to, what will happen? 4 minus lambda 2, 2, 4 minus lambda. Then what will happen? We have to 4, 4 minus lambda 2, 2 minus 4 minus lambda is multiply with 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. It should be 0. And check it. Then what will happen? 4 minus lambda 101 plus 2 101 is equal to 0, and we will get 100 is cancel out, 4 minus lambda plus 2 is equal to 0, and we will get lambda is equal to 6. So lambda is equal to 6 will be the answer, option C. Now comes to next question, question number 11. It's given that x1 x2 up to xm are m non-zero orthogonal vector. The dimension of the vector space spanned by the 2m. Okay, first one is the m, now 2m. Vector x1 x1 x2 minus x1 x2 and xm each. The vector space spanned by the 2m. The vector is the choice of x1 x2 xm depends upon. So eigenvalue solution. Eigenvalue are the roots of the determinant. Determinant form the matrix. Eigenvalue is the roots of determinant of eigen. Okay. So option C will be the right answer, because the dimension of the vector is a span, then dimension will be no effect. It will be the m. Okay. Now comes to next question. All the fourth entry of the 2 by 2 matrices are P11, P12, P21, P22 are non-zero, and one of its eigenvalue is 0. One of its eigenvalue is 0. Which of the following statement is true? Let's see. One of the element is 0. It means multiplication of the eigenvalue will be the 0, and it means determinant of P will be the 0. It means determinant of P will be 0. When you take the determinant of P will be 0, P1 into P22 minus P21 and P12 will be 0. So right option will be here. Option C will be the right answer. Because I've already told you if any matrix having eigenvalue lambda 1 1, lambda 2, and lambda 3, then what will happen? Sum of lambda 1, lambda 2 plus lambda 3 will be diagonal sum of matrix, and multiplication of eigenvalue will be determinant of that matrix. Let so here is the P, so determinant of matrix, or here is given one of the eigenvalue is 0, so multiplication of the all eigenvalue will be the 0, and so determinant will be 0. Now question number 13, the system linear equation of linear equation has, we have to find out the solution. Okay, first check the A matrix. What is the A matrix? 4 2 2 1. Okay, now make it AB matrix. AB matrix 4 2 2 1 and 7 and 6. Okay, then what will happen? First make R1 by R1 by 2. Okay, then you will get R1 by 2. Then what will happen? 2 1 7 by 2 and 2 1 6. Now make R2 minus R2 minus R1. Then you will get 2 1 7 by 2 0 0 6 minus 7 by 2. Then what will happen? This matrix, this part, in case of 2 by 2, determinant will be the 0. So rank of A will be 1. But when you check this one for AB, the AB will be rank 2. So rank of AB not equal to rank of A. So number of now rank the number of non-zero row, the number of non-zero row in since rank able not, the system has no solution. So system has no, if equal to not equal to 0, not the both are not equal, then system has no solution. If in case of no solution, if rank of AB equal to rank of A equal to number of variable, so unique solution. Always remember unique solution, or rank of AB is equal to rank of A but not equal to number of variable, it's many solution. Many solution. Okay. System has no, for but this question system has no solution. Now comes to next question. The eigenvalue of the following matrix R. We have to find out the eigenvalue of the following matrix R. See, check it first. Check it. Eigenvalue of the matrix. So see diagonal element. Sum of the diagonal element. For objective question, check it. The diagonal sum of diagonal element. So, sorry. Hmm. Okay, no problem. Actually, my handwriting is not good. Solution. Okay, discuss. Already discuss. Huh, from here. Check it. here sum of diagonal element is 1. Now check it from the option which one is the right answer, because from here you will get the answer. Then check it the sum of the all sum of the all these are where is the one is coming. Okay, from here this one, when you adding the all the eigenvalue on the option, then 3 6 and 6 12 and 4 1 not possible. From here minus 6, this one becomes the 0, and here you will get 3j, not possible. Sum here, here 5 3 8 11, and you will get the minus j and plus j, not possible. One here, from here check it, 3j minus 3j cancel out, and 3 minus 1 minus 1 you will get 1. So your right answer will be D. There is here is no we have to know solve it in typical method. We can check the from the concept, and we can check the properties from the properties. Okay, which is already I have discussed with you. Now, the eigenvalue of the skew matrix are, the eigenvalue of skew matrix are, a skew matrix is a square matrix whose transpose is equal to negative value. Means AT is equal to minus A. The eigenvalue of skew matrix always comes in pair, plus minus lambda, except in odd dimensional case where there is additional unpaired zero eigenvalue. For real skew matrix, the non-zero eigenvalue are all pure imaginary, and thus are both uh, are the form of I lambda 1, and where each of lambda k is real. Okay, so either 0 or purely imaginary. So you will get the either 0 or purely imaginary. The system of equation is given, has no solution is given. So for the value of lambda and mu given by, means has no solution, means given that rank A is not equal to rank AB. Okay, and then arrange it. First directly arrange it AB matrix, then 1 1 1 6 and 1 4 6 20, then 1 4 lambda mu. Okay, now comes to this one, this part. Before this one, A1 A matrix and or B. Now make it R3. R3 make it R3 minus R3 minus R2. Okay, so AB will be 1 1 1 6 1 4 6 20, then 0 0 lambda minus 6 and mu minus 20. Now check it. This part, if lambda minus 6 becomes the 0, but this element is 0, then what will happen? Then A will be, rank of A will be 2. Okay, if lambda minus 6 becomes 0, then and it becomes the 0, and if this element is not equal to 0, then maximum possibility of rank AB will be 3. And in this kind of which condition, if lambda minus 20 not equal to 0. So lambda for condition will be lambda is equal to 6, or lambda mu is equal to not equal to 20. In that condition we will get no solution. So lambda is equal to 6, lambda is equal to 6, option B will be the right answer. Because check it here, here will be the 3 by 3 matrix. When here lambda is equal to 6, then it will be the 0, and you will get 3 by 3 matrix is equal to 0. Determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix will be the 0, and any one possible, means let is this possible will be not equal to 0. Then lambda rank of A matrix will be 2, and when you take the not equal to 20, mu is equal to not equal to 20, then what will happen? Here, from here, you will get the 3 by 3 matrix, and from this 3 by 3 matrix, one possibility of 3 by 3 matrix determinant will be not 0. From here, you can check that it will be not 0. Then you will get the rank 3 for AB matrix. So both are not equal, and you will get the no solution in that condition. Okay. Now comes to next question. Given that A is equal to and I is then the AQ, we have to find out the AQ. Okay. So characteristic equation, first find out the characteristic equation, then you will get the easily. There is no you there. Otherwise, we have to find out the in terms of answer. We have to find out the answer in terms of A. So go from the characteristic equation way. A minus lambda I mod is equal to 0. So determinant minus 5 minus lambda is equal to minus 3, and 2 minus lambda determinant is equal to 0. Then minus 5 minus lambda into minus lambda minus minus 3 into 2 is equal to 0. Then you will get 5 lambda plus lambda square and plus 6 is equal to 0. Then lambda square plus 5 lambda plus 6 is equal to 0. And we can say that by Cayley-Hamilton theorem, we can say that Cayley-Hamilton theorem a square plus 5a plus 6 is equal to 0 by Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Okay, now check it. What will happen? A square is equal to minus 5a minus 6i. We can say that I 6 is not individual. Say I matrix. Okay, here is the I matrix. So what will happen? Now multiply with a square a. Then you will get aq minus 5 a square minus 6 a. Put the value of a square from here. Here minus 5 into minus 5 a minus 6 I minus 6 a minus minus plus 25 a plus 30 I minus 6 a 19 a plus 30 19 a 30 a. So 16 a 16 yeah, 19 a 19 a 19 a 30 I answer. So then option B will be the right answer. The minimum eigenvalue of the following matrix is we have to find out. So minimum for minimum, first of all we have to find out the characteristic equation, and from the characteristic equation we have to check the minimity. Otherwise, you check the determinant. If determinant is 0 is coming, then minimum value is 0 is possible. Okay, and here is 0 is your option. So in this condition, first of all check the determinant. From determinant you will get the minimum possible also, and sum. So first of all arrange the matrix from here. Here is the given 2 7 5, and yeah, yeah, let's check it. 3 5 2 5 12 7 2 7 5. Make it R2 is equal to R2 minus R1. Okay, then 3, 5, 2, then 2, 7, 5. There is 2, 7, 5, and here you will get, yeah, 2 row is common. R2 plus is equal to R1. So determinant of this one will be the 0. Let us consider this one in matrix A. A. The determinant of this matrix will be 0. Then determinant of the matrix is 0 means it is only possible when any one of the eigenvalue will be the 0. Then so when you check the eigenvalue, then any one of the eigenvalue will be 0 and minimum value will be the 0. Option A will be the right answer. Got it? And now comes to next question. These are the properties based only. 19. Let A is a non an 9 by n m by n matrix and B is Pn n by m matrix. It is given that determinant I m a b is equal to determinant I n b a, where Ik is the k by k identity matrix. Using the above property, determinant of the matrix are given below. We have to find out the matrix determinant of the above matrix below matrix. See, it is nothing but okay. We have to simplify it all these, and we have to find out the determinant for totally. And after simplification, you will get 5, and simplified is the basic method. No problem. Only apply the basic method, and you will get the answer. Then what will happen? Hmm. Otherwise, you can get it the simplification this such way. No, no, no problem. You get apply the determinant for individual level. So you get a determinant very lengthy calculation. 2 for 2 you get the 2, and yeah, so once again, so this type of matrix will you will get, and otherwise for simplification you subtract to each other, then you will get the minimum value, and from there you will calculate. Can you simplify it? No problem. Directly you will get the answer. There is no concept. For matrices same dimension m and a scalar c, the one of these properties are does not always hold. So it will be not hold commutative properties. Okay. So option D will be the right answer. A real 4 by 4 matrix A satisfies the equation A square is equal to I, where I is the 4 by 4 identity matrix. The positivity eigenvalue of A. Positivity eigenvalue of A. Since A square is equal to I, so eigenvalue of A square will be eigenvalue of I will be 1. 1 because 1 1 1, then determinant will be 1, multiplication will be 1, and sum will be the 2. The only possible when you take the 1 1. Okay, the eigenvalue is 1. So here for A square, eigen A square whole square will be 1, and from here you will be get eigenvalue of A will be root under 1, then plus minus 1. So positivity value of eigenvalue, positive value of A is equal to 1. Consider the matrix J4 is given, okay, and 0 0 0 0 1 like a big matrix given, which is obtained by recursively the order of column and identify the matrix I6. Let P is equal to I6 plus alpha J6, where alpha is non-negative real number. The value of alpha from which determinant of P is equal to 0. Okay, I6 is given. I6 is solution. I6 means in 6 order unit step signal, unit of master matrix is equal to 1 I6 plus alpha J6 will be, here is nothing but J6 is given. J1 is equal to, we have to solve it. Okay, so we multiply in opposite direction will be alpha. Okay, so show 1 0 0 0 4 5 6 2 2 4 2 6 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 plus then uh, j alpha j. Okay, then you will get when you take add, sorry, when you add when you add alpha, then what will happen? You will get from here this side alpha, then alpha alpha and alpha alpha from here alpha and alpha and alpha. Okay, and when you take the determinant and after determinant solvification, you will get the alpha is equal to 1. First you have to solve it 6 by 6 matrix determinant and you will get the alpha is equal to 1. Do it. The determinant of the matrix A is 5 and the determinant of matrix B is 40. The determinant of the matrix AB is, determinant of the matrix will be multiplication of two matrix. Okay, determinant of A is equal to 5, determinant of B is equal to 40. So the determinant of AB is equal to multiplication of its matrix and 200 will be answer. The system of linear equation here given A is given and make it AB and find out the rank. Okay, then you will get 2 3 1 1 0 2 3 1 5 and here 5 minus 4 and 14. Then simplify it. After simplification, then how to simplify it? First make the R2 2 R2 minus 3 R1 and R3 2 R3 minus R1. Okay, so then after that Hmm. 2 are first R1, 2, 1, 3, 5. No problem. Then R2, R2 minus 3R1. Then is 6, and here is the 6. It will be the 0, and from here you will get minus 3. You will get here minus 7, and here you will get minus 23. Next element you will get 0, 3, 7, 33. Now make R3 equal to R3 plus R2. Then 2, 1, 3, 5, 0, minus 3, minus 7, minus 23. Then 0, 0, 0, and 33. Then what will happen? Rank of A, rank of A will be one. This possibility will be not equal to 0. So rank of A will be 2. Rank of AB will be will be 3. So rank of A is not equal to rank of AB. So this one is a no solution. Option C will be the right answer. Oh, wait. Here also you will get a 23. Here you will also get 23. Wait. Then after addition it will get the 0. Okay. Then here you 0. Sorry. So here will be 0. So rank AB will be get 2. Rank AB will be get 2, but not equal to variables. So it will be the system process infinity and many solution. We can say the infinity and many solution. So option B will be the right answer. Infinity or many solution. Already discussed about this one. Now comes to next question. The maximum value of the determinant among the all 2 by 2 real symmetrical matrix with trace 14 each. See, trace 14 is given. Let us consider A matrix A X X B. Maximum possible of determinant of a real symmetrical matrix. So CL symmetrical matrix, because A X X B, the transpose will be the same. So determinant of A will be AB minus x square, and d determinant of A upon dx. Maximum possible 2x is equal to 0. So determinant of A is equal to A into B, x is equal to 0. From here you will get x is equal to 0. So at x is equal to 0 you will get the maximum value. So the x maximum value into maximum A and B should be equal. Maximum when A and B equal should be equal. So trace is given 14, means A plus B is equal to given 14, and only possible 7 into 7 is equal to 49. Maximum possible is 49. 26. Which one of the following statements is not true for the square matrix A? If A is upper triangular and the eigenvalue of A are diagonal elements of it, it is true. if your any matrix upper or lower triangular, okay, then eigenvalue will be the diagonal matrix. Okay, so not true, we have to find out the not true. So option A is right answer. A is right. B, if A is real symmetric, the eigenvalue of A is always real and positive. Not, it will be get imaginary in symmetric matrix. Real symmetric, if A is real, then eigenvalue of A and A transpose is always the same. If all the principal minors of A positive, all the eigenvalue of A also positive. It is true. So option B will be the not matching. Okay, so not true will be option B. Consider the system linear equation is given. The value of k for which the system has infinity many solution. Infinity many solution means rank A will be rank AB, but rank is not equal to variables. Make the argument matrix AB 1 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 1 minus 3, 4, 1 minus 2, 4 minus 6 and k. Okay, then arrange it. How to make? R2 make by R2 minus R1 and R3 make R3 plus 2R1. Okay, then 1 minus 2, 3 minus 1 and R3 this one 0. You will get minus 1 and here you will get 1. Here you will get 2 and last one you will get the R3 plus 2 R1, R3 plus 2 R1. So here you will get 0 and R3 plus 2 R1. Yeah, from here you will get the 0 and here you will get the 0 and you will get k minus 2. Okay, then check it. See, if k is equal to 2, k is equal to, then it will be the 0. Then rank of A 8, k is equal to 2, rank of A is equal to rank of AB, or it will be the 2, and which is less than, which is not equal to number of variables, which is not equal to number of variables, then it will be the infinity solution and many solution, where k is equal to 2. Now comes to next question. The value of P such that vector 1, 2, 3 is eigenvector of the matrix. Value of P, eigenvector of the matrix. A x x. So we have to find out value of P. 4, 1, 2, P 2, 1, 15 minus 4, 10, and x is given 1, 2, 3 equal to lambda 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now after simplification you will get 12 P plus 7 and 36. 1, 2, 3. Then you will get P plus 7 by 12 is equal to 2 and you will get P with 7. Right answer will be 17. Okay. Now I am leaving up to here, and in next video I will complete the all the linear algebra which is asked in GATE. Okay. So thank you for watching, and if you like it, And then if you want to give some suggestion, then comment it. If you want to give